opening up the register. Okay, I'll be in number 18. You got zip ties? Yeah, man. Oh my gosh, those are like big zip ties.
These are from Walmart, fresh.
Hey, hold this while we put my name tag on there. It's running. How do I do it?
So we have these awesome cups.
Oh, awesome!
Do you want one? Take as many as you want.
Oh, these are like hard cups. These
they're great. They're absolutely great for coffee.
Steez! Oh. Whee! Hey, what do we got going on over here? This is a, what is this a bike shop? With knives? Look at all the cool. Yes. Got helmets. We got. I love that helmet. That's the best helmet out here. Good job. Y'all racing the little Hammies?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. All right, we got the medium-sized age Hammies.
Hola.
State your name and occupation.
What does occupation mean?
If you don't work, where do you go to school?
Eli Owsley, and I ride bikes.
Where do you live? What city?
Helena,
Alabama. Where are y'all from?
Trustville.
Trustful too.
Yep.
This is the future. Well, this is actually the Hammies. Current Hammies. Hey, what's up with the cup?
It's a cup.
They're cool cups. What number are you?
13.
Is that lucky 13?
Lucky.
Hey, I was lucky 13. How's the hot dog? Delicious. Oh, is that why you got two?
That's right, yeah.
Trick or treat. Oh, this isn't. I've already been back. Then you got them. Good deal. What did you get? You got to have two of them. Tire levers come in twos.
Yeah.
Hey, and look, they even snap together. Boom. But these glasses are over there.
Oh, really?
These are Hammies glasses.
Okay.
I'll take a hot dog. Where are those?
You want something to drink?
I just want one. Because I got a race. I'll come back and get one after the race.
Get 3 after and 1 now, and anything you want. Chips, snack cakes,
Thank you.
Right?
I used to think somebody doing.
I'll take a water. A little water? Yes. Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
You're so welcome. Thank you.
And remind me what church y'all are with.
Desperation Church.
Thank y'all for coming out.
Yeah.
And doing
excited
this.
to be here. We have
From your heartache, take it easy. He doesn't look a thing like Jesus. What's his name, Trey?
Right.
this thing.
Sick pit bike, sir. Sick. Is that a long bike, or are you just happy to see me?
Both.
Both. Is this racing the little Hammies? Awesome. Is this your first Hammies race? Are you excited to do it? Yeah. Awesome.
Feel like a heart
That's the best I can do. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
And what are you racing today?
10-9.
So are you going to do the 2-mile course, the 3/4? Oh, tricks. Oh, cool. Awesome. All you got to have is a helmet, but we can find you one of those. Go! Oh, they're gone now. What a perfect song to be racing to. And face! Woo!
Yeah.
All right. That's awesome. Yeah! We got 2 riders with spikes on their helmets. Hey, Robin's racing. Good job. That one right there is hauling. Look, he's beating the guy. I told James, step it up, James. Woo! Woo! You're done. You're done. Woo! More laps. More laps. Race. What was the best part about the race?
Starting late
well,
and finishing first.
I got the whole shot after you did, so you completely missed. My chain dropped down in the front and the back. Just stuck both places. Yes, I had it in the crotch and the tank. It was rough.
We're close to the end.
Oh no, I didn't even see you. Y'all didn't see me drop my chain in the beginning. Hey, can we get a good picture of your belt? Oh, twisted barley? Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Fourth.
Oh, fourth? Oh my gosh. What?
A black dog.
Man, I couldn't do anything with that right now.
Are they black?
That one is.
Show
This
us.
one is.
Well, eat it. Eat it. That's good.
Just crispy. That's what
Let's eat it. JT, I'm done with my bike if you want to jump on it, but you got to ride that one first.
May I ride the little one? I already rode that one.
Yeah, go ahead.
I caught everyone.
Something about slowing, coming out on the street, turning and trying to pick back up. I tried to pick back up and it just wasn't there. I got.
Once I got going down that hill with the swoops, I was killing it, stroking it, passing everybody.
There was a little kid in front of me.
Everybody meaning 2 people.
In the climbs with the flat, wet spot.
I wouldn't know. I was at the back of the pack.
I knew the roadie was going to drop us. I knew that for a fact.
He won.
Did he?
Yeah, he's over there with his roadie friends gloating. No wrecks? Not even a little bit? There must be more of those bikes out here because I keep running into it.
I mean,
I bet y'all can't do what she just did. Y'all can't do that. Y'all can't go over that slow like she just did it. Go over there slow. Can you go over it on that? I tried.
no, I mean, she
I
just
tried.
moved
Watch
it.
this. Watch it. Hey. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, do it. Do it. Oh, yeah. Oh. There you go. He got the pit vipers. Of course he can do it. Good job.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bunny hop, J hop. A little triple J hop. Truck driver. Good job.
We're cooking
Whoop.
out of pear.
Oh, look. Pee Wee Herman, good job. Okay. Oh, tailpipe dragon. Tailpipe dragon. Hey, stalls are what chicks dig it. Oh, fast? Really? Somebody should tell him he doesn't have a rear suspension on that and he's gonna bounce like that. He's gonna feel that when he's 40.
Eric Hagan, give me your thoughts on the race.
It was hot. I dropped my chain and my dignity around the first turn. So it was I was able to keep my composure and pass a guy headed to Walmart on his bike. And he asked me if I needed anything. I was like, no, I'm in the race. He goes, oh, okay, well, have a good race. And then I passed a lady, I count up to a lady pushing her bike up the hill. She asked me to pass her, and I was like, lady, I can't. I'll just ride my bike beside you, walking your bike up the hill. So we finished that hill together. It was great, good times.